In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Waterpark Simulator on your PC. So the first step is open a Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us, and of course see more content like this. Now what we will do, we will quickly search up the game on Steam and then we will proceed to another website to download it safely without overpaying. So go to the Steam website, then we will quickly search up this game, don't waste too much time on it, and after that we will search for it. Now as you can see we have Waterpark Simulator over here and we will select the game. Now if I scroll a little bit down, then you will find out there is a free demo available on Steam, but we would like to download the full game without overpaying. So on Steam it is €11.99. Now we have a workaround, so what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now we will search for the same game Waterpark Simulator and search for it. The next step is to select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done this, then you will find the game, the PC version, which can be activated in our country, so it is important that this text is marked green so we can activate it. The next step is to select the game, and once you have selected the game, you will find out that this game is already available for just €7.10 compared to the price on Steam of €11.99. So this will definitely save you a bit of money while downloading games. Once you have purchased this game online on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game through Steam on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And happy gaming, enjoy the Waterpark Simulator. Bye bye!